Today I am going to tell you how to reduce spice in chole. In case we need to prepare about 500 grams of chole with extra spice, take a kadai, add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, add about a little bit of jeera and then 100 grams of onions chopped. Fry the onions well. Now when this gets fried well, you can add little ginger garlic paste and then add about 100 grams of tomatoes nicely chopped. Now fry them well. While frying this, add little turmeric powder, little coriander powder and all other masalas like garam masala, salt, etc. Half a teaspoon of sugar also. Now when this gets nicely cooked in a mushy form, now add the originally prepared extra spiced chole to this. Now cook it on slow fire. Now after some time you can garnish it with coriander leaves and taste it. In case you like the taste of potatoes in chole, you can add about 50 grams of half-boiled potatoes and cubed. Now add this to the chole prepared. Let it get cooked along with the other extra prepared gravy.